Hello, Aspirants. I'm Indumati Karthikeyan from INCAR IAS Academy. Today we are going to discuss about the 3rd January current affairs. The topic is PM inaugurates several infrastructure project in New Delhi. The topic comes under our main topic, that is the infrastructure. First of all, what are the key projects inaugurated by the Prime Minister? That is the first and foremost, that is a in situ slum rehabilitation project in Ashok Nagar. First of all, the Prime Minister inaugurated 1675, that is 1675 newly constructed flats at Swabhiman apartment in Ashok Vihar. These flats can part of the Delhi Development Authority second successful in situ slum rehabilitation project, which is designed to provide the resident of the Jugi Jopri clusters with a better and healthier living environment, and also there is a equipped with the proper amenities and also the facilities, which is having the beneficiary, that is a resident of the JJ clusters were identified and verified to ensure the eligibility for the new housing, and also the modern fact were constructed in the essential amenity to provide the dignified living space for the beneficiaries. And also the second thing is the urban redevelopment project, that is a World Trade Center at Nauroji Nagar, that is a inaugurated as a part of the urban development. This project aims to boost the commercial infrastructure in the city, and also it can implement the planning and design strategy, the state of the art commercial hub to attract the business to promote the economic growth, and also executed the modern building with the technique ensures sustainability and also the efficiency. This is a type 2 quarters to provide the quality housing for the government employees. The third one is there is a foundation of the stories for the Delhi University projects, that is a Eastern campus, that is a foundation stone laid a new campus to expand the educational facility in the East Delhi, and also there is a identify suitable land for the Surajmal Vihar for the new campus, and also there is a designing modern classrooms, laboratories, research facilities, and also cater the growing student population. And also West Delhi campus at Dwaraka, there is a foundation stone laid the campus aimed at enhancing the higher education infrastructure in the West Delhi. There is a includes a provision to advanced academic blocks, auditoriums, students, amenities to provide the comprehensive educational environment. That Veera Savarkar College and Roshanpura, that is a foundation stone laying a new college to offer diverse academic programs to the student of the Najafkra areas, and also there is a curriculum development like offer a range of undergraduate and postgraduate courses to meet the educational aspirant to the local student, and also equipped with the modern facilities support holistic and student development. So these are the important projects today he is going to be inaugurated. And also there is a overall implementation, there is an integrated planning and that coordinated efforts among the various governments agencies to ensure the seamless execution of the project. And also there's a stakeholders involved, the local community, educational institution, and also government departments are the planning in the planning and implementation phases are to address the specific need of the concern. There is a emphasize eco-friendly construction practices and the inclusion of the green spaces to promote the environmental sustainability, and also they can provide the monitoring and evaluation. There is a mechanism to regular access of the progress, address the challenge of the promptly to ensure the completion of the project. These initiatives reflect the government committed to enhancing the urban infrastructure and also providing the quality housing and expanding the educational opportunities in the Delhi, thereby contributing the overall development of the well-being of the resident and also the student. Thank you so much.